Hello everyone, welcome to Angular Mentor. In this video, we will learn about reactive forms and validations in Angular. Forms are a fundamental part of every Angular application. One of the greatest features of forms is that you can validate the input of the user before it is sent to the server. Without any delay, let's get started to reactive forms. Angular provides two ways to work with forms. First, template-driven forms and second, reactive forms. In template-driven forms, Angular template directives are used to generate the model of the form. On the other hand, reactive forms rely on programmer to define the form model. This is done in the component class instead of the template. If you want more control on the forms, then you should go for reactive forms. Reactive forms gives you the ability to control validation from the component code. Plus, you are able to unit test them. These are the couple advantages that reactive forms have over template-driven forms. So let's take a look how it works. We will create a simple user form and implement some inbuilt validations on it. First, create an Angular app. First, import the reactive form modules in the app.module.ts. Now open your template. Create a form. So to create a form, we need to define a form group. The form will be treated as a form group in the component class, so the form group directive allows to give a name to the form group. We then create a field called name. We also assign each field of our form control to one HTML element using form control name. Each form field should have a form control name directive with a value that will be the name used in the component class. We will be creating one more field as message. And we will create a button which will show our name and message. This is the event that will be triggered upon submission of the form. The component class. And now in the component class, we define our form group and individual form controls with our form group. My form is the name of the form, and its type is giving as a form group. We can make things simpler with the help of Form Builder, which allows us to forego all the newing of the form group and form controls. We are creating individual form controls, name and message within our form group. Notice the form group and form control names are the same that we used in our template. and we initialize our form group in the ngOnIt lifecycle hook. We are creating a method onSubmit. When we click on Show, that will show our name and message to the console window. With this, we can access our form's validity and form control values. Let's open our app. Enter your name and message. By clicking Show button, we can see our name and message. Now we will validate our form. Validation to the form is easy. Just add validated class to your imports and declare your form controls with arrays instead of simple string values. The first value in the array is the initial form value and the second value is for the validators to use. We can use multiple validators on the same form control by wrapping them into an array. Here we are using required validator for the name and the min-length validator for the message. In the template class, we can access each form control's value and validity as well. Let's open our app. You can notice required validation for the name. For message also, you can notice that it requires to provide more than 15 min length. And we can click Show button to see our name and message. There are many other validations which you can use in similar way. We can also use custom validators to validate our form controls. Custom validator is just a function with a specific signature that we pass into the validators array, just like any that I am going to explain in other video. For any queries, please write in comments. I hope now you will have idea for reactive forms and how it works. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe, like, share and your mentor.